Hello all, welcome to shiksha.com. ATMA application process has begun for the February session. The last date to pay the application fee is February 17th and the application window will close on February 18th. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the ATMA application form. Let's get started. Visit the official website of ATMA AIMS, that is ATMA.com. On the home page, click on the Click Here to Pay the Fees link in the notification bar. You will be redirected to the registration page. Choose the fee concession if applicable. Proceed to filling the registration form with details such as name, date of birth, name of the city, mobile number, email ID, and a validation code. If the candidate is availing of the fee concession, then they need to upload the supporting documents. After filling in the details, carefully click on the Proceed for Fees Payment button. Verify the filled details and click on the Pay Now button. At this point, you will receive the PID number and exam URL for the registration on the registered email ID and mobile number. You can pay the application fee online through the internet banking, credit card, debit card, UPI, or other banking wallets. Once you have paid the application fee, save the transaction receipt and take a printout of the same. Then, click here to go to registration page button. You will be redirected to the ATMA application form. Fill the personal identification number and click on Fetch Name button. Now, proceed on to filling the complete application form with details such as date of birth, mobile number, address, Aadhaar number, academic details, etc. Upload the required documents in the prescribed format. Enter the preferred test center and choose the institutes. You can choose up to 2 test cities and 5 institutes. Candidates can check the institute code by clicking on the Click Here to See Codes button. Once the details have been filled and the documents have been uploaded, click on the Click Here to Register for ATMA Exam button. Click on the URL shown on the screen and log in using the PID number and password sent on the registered mobile number by selecting the exam date. Click on Reprint Registration Form button. Save the registration form and take a printout of the same. This was all about ATMA 2023 application process. All the best.